Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a special occasion today. I will tell you about my mother, the most important person in my life. There are three things about her: appearance, personality, and our relationship. Firstly, I will tell you about her appearance. My mother is 54 years old, but she doesn't look like that age. She looks grateful with her open face. She has a charming smile. She is tall and pink. She has long black curly hair. Generally, she is very beautiful. Secondly, I will tell you about her personality. She gives me a impression of being friendly. She always helps other people. She is very easygoing and careful. Her hobbies are watching TV with the family and talking with her children. Finally, I will tell you about our relationship. She always the best thing for me and my brothers. She is so busy with work and cooking for the family and talking and take care of her children. So she has no time for herself. Growing up, I can understand many sorrow of mother. I love her more. I pray my mother have been many happy and beside me forever. This is the most important person in my life. How about you?